In this video, we will showcase a simple use case of Indeni integration in Demisto. As you can see here, we already have Palo Alto network vulnerability issues coming in as instance. Let's pick one of them which are critical. And to start investigate, you can click on the issue ID. And as you can see here in the details section, the Indeni integration already pre-populate this section with the relevant information. You can see the remediation steps and the description from Indeni. And then under the notes section, you will be able to see which devices actually triggered the issue and some more details about the alerts. And then we already have a playbook that we are pre-configured for this issue. So you can head over to the work plan. As you can see, this playbook is already been triggered. So for this given playbook, what we are doing is we will by using the functionalities that are provided by the Indeni integrations to further enrich to get some more information about the instance. First, we're going to get some more information about the issue. So this will make an API call to Indeni to get issue details. Next, we will make another call to get the device information, so you can see exactly which device is actually triggering the issue. Next, we use another functionalities provided by the integration to figure out which devices actually experience the same issue. After that, we will post a note to Indeni issue to say to mention that this issue is currently being handled by Demisto. After that, we will create a Jira ticket using the Jira integration. Let's head over to the Jira. So as you can see, a new ticket is created with all the relevant information. So in the description section, you will be able to find the alert ID, the device name, the device IP, what are the remediation steps, and what the issue is about. After that, we will add the Jira ticket to the issue section, to the notes section of the issue on Indeni. Next, we have a generic polling. So what this does is actually it will poll the ticket, Jira ticket status every minute. It will keep polling until the ticket status is equal to done, or this task will time out after 60 minutes. So let's head back to the Jira. So imagine if I'm actually the network engineer who got assigned this ticket. And then based on the information provided here, I will be able to figure out exactly what the issue is. And then based on the remediation steps, I should figure out how I can resolve the issue. And I imagine that I actually fix the issue in a minute, and then now we can transition the ticket to done. After we transition the ticket to done, let's go back to the work plan. Let's refresh the work plan because the polling, it happens every minute, so you might need to wait up to a minute for the status for the new status to come back. So it looks like, let's look at the result. So it looks like the status is still says backlog, which means it haven't pulled the latest status back yet. So might still need to wait for a little bit. In the meantime, we can head over to the Indeni to verify the notes are being posted correctly. So we can copy over the alert ID here and then post it here. So I already have it posted here, and I can just refresh. Oh, and then you can see that the issue is currently being handled by Demisto, and then Jira ticket created IKP3971. And then it looks like actually the playbook, the remaining of the playbook is actually already being executed, and then the ticket is actually already marked as acknowledged. So let's head back to the playbook. So it looks like it passed through past the generic polling part, and I finished the remaining of the playbook. So after the polling, we're going to get the Jira ticket status one more time, and I'm going to verify if the ticket, Jira ticket is truly done. If it is done, then we're going to update the notes section to say that Jira ticket is done, and I'm going to archive the Indeni issue and close the investigation. So as you can see, back at Indeni notes section, we already see that the Jira ticket is marked as done, and then Demisto archived the issue already. And also back in Demisto, you can see that the instance is marked as closed. So this is really just one possibility of ingesting Indeni issue and using Demisto's third-party integration to automate your daily workflow. The possibility is actually quite unlimited. You should think about how your team would like to tackle different types of Indeni issues. Maybe some is to be handled through email, and then some should be handled by Jira. Once you have a rough idea of the workflow, now you can actually start building your own playbook to automate the workflow yourself.